All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, I had to spend my own money on Dorman. Yeah, that's right. I had to spend money with Dorman. Background, used to be my daughter's car, is now my son's car. Ford Focus. A couple years ago, during the pandemic, it's set intermittently a P0420 code. During the pandemic, getting a cat from Ford was, well, out of the question. They didn't have it. It wasn't available. It was intermittent. It'd go away for 6 months, 8 months, and then come back. At that point, I wasn't too worried about it. Fast forward to this year, yeah, it was no longer intermittent. I had to do something to get the license plate renewed on that car. I don't know how long it's gonna last, so I went to check the monitors on it to get emissions, to get it, to get the tag. And it already set the cat monitor, but it hadn't set the O2 or the heater, monitors, but it passed. Now, even more amazing, it fit. It fit fine. I'm as shocked as you are. I'm not gonna attest to how long it will last because, well, it was literally about the only cat I could get quickly other than Chinese knockoff brand that's probably the same thing reboxed, but I didn't want to take the couple $100 savings and have to do it again. And I lucked out. The Dorman part actually worked. I'm shocked. So, I know I give Dorman a lot of hate, other than one pipe that was a little different than the OE one that made one nut on the flange difficult to tighten. It bolted up just like the OE. Everything lined up, the brackets lined up, everything lined up. So, wow. Anytime I, say something bad about something and I get proven wrong, I got to talk about it. So, yeah, I used Dorman on my own son's car and it actually worked. It's an aftermarket cat, so hopefully I get a couple years out of it, but we'll see because, we'll see. I hope you enjoyed my, pain. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.